Hello, today I'm going to show you a round trip, which is where I query the data in SAP, pull a bunch of rows out, and then make some changes to the rows, and then transact them back to SAP. In this example, please note that the fields I touch on in SAP are for proof of concept only. Obviously, your business processes are going to be much more complex, and just hope you know that all the fields in SAP can be recorded and mapped accordingly to match your business processes. The same goes with the query that I use to pull the rows out. These can be developed much the same as you'd write a SQL script, but without the programming know-how. So mine's obviously very basic. I'm just showing you as a proof of concept quickly today. So this is my Excel template. It's got the scripts published within them. Here's the query script, which we're going to run. I select a range of material numbers. That's then gone to SAP and has pulled out all the materials between 3159 and 3178. So you can see I've just pulled out a couple of different bits of data here. And what I can do is I can go through and make some changes now. So I just put a new short description here. If we go through and maybe we'll change the material group here to something miscellaneous. And we change the unit of measure to a bag. Put a new description. Come down here, and if we make an engine, and we put gallon. New engine description. The last one we'll do, we'll make this a pump. And we'll use litre and a new pump description. Okay, there's a bit of validation in here, so if I just put a couple errors in, a couple of values that aren't allowed, I'm not allowed to put in anything but what I've got. That's how I've built it. So I won't accept IT services, and over here, if we put pound in there, I've made that not be allowed either. So if we change now to the transaction part of the query, here it is here, we can run a validate. You can see that these are all success messages. And here it's saying that they don't belong in the valid list of values. So if I go back and I just fix them up, and if I just go run on errors and do another validation, you can see that that's then changed that one to a success, but that one's still failing there. So now if we do a proper run, take it off a run on errors. So no errors for it to run on. Okay. So see, no changes made for these ones, but material 3161 has been changed, and they've all gone through just fine. So if I just delete all of these rows of data, and we do the query again, we should see those changes come through. So we'll change to the query script. And let's run that again. 3159 to 3178. You can see that we've got those things that we made changes to. So I guess the final test, let's put 3167 into SAP. 3167. So here it is with the new engine description and gallon as a unit of measure, 108 as the group. Thank you.